Good afternoon and welcome back again. I'm Marquise King. I'm a student at J-Tech, and today we're going to go over how to correctly use a DVOM, or also known as a digital multimeter. So we have our DVOM here, which measures voltage, ohms, or amperage. Before you get ready to use the machine, you need to make sure that it works properly. So you want to set it to the continuity, touch the two poles. As soon as you get a sound, you know that the machine is working properly. You are ready to go. So using our online Pro Demand tool, we pull up the schematics of the vehicle, which is a 2000 Honda Accord, and I already have highlighted where the power is coming from, and already have highlighted where the ground is coming from, which is in pink. We're going to take this same diagram and transfer it over to the vehicle so you know where to check for the voltage. So now we're checking for voltage in the bulb. Turn my DV on. As the circuit is open, there's no power going to it. So first I'm going to take my negative, hook it on. I'm going to take my positive and also hook it on. When the circuit is closed, power goes to it. And as you can see, we have a reading of 7.27. So now to check the ohms of the bulb, we want to turn the DV on, set it to ohms, and you want to take and isolate the bulb that you're trying to get. So you're going to take your negative and hook your negative to your negative, hook your positive to your positive. Which gives you a reading of 0.6. So now we're going to check for the voltage drop. Turn your voltage meter on. You're going to hook the positive to the positive. You're going to hook your negative to your negative. Now when your circuit is open, you're not having any reading, you don't have any power. When it's closed, you actually have power, you're going to get a reading. As you can see, we have a voltage drop. It's now reading 7.17. Next, we're going to check the fuse. First, we're going to use our DVM to make sure that our DVM is working properly. We're going to check the fuse in the DVM. So we're going to take this and set this to ohms. We're going to take and test and put it in our 20. If we get a reading, it's working perfectly. It is. Next, we're going to use a fuse body, what's known as a fuse body. We're going to turn on our DVMO. We're going to connect the negative to the negative. So now we're going to check the amperage of the bulb using a fuse body. Turn this guy on. And now we have a reading of 26.0. So we have a reading of 2.56, 2.52. Once again, I'm Marquise King, a student at J-Tech, and this is the proper way to use a DVOM, or what's known as a digital multimeter.